Hi, it's Daniel from Snap Shades, and you're watching video installation B1. 2 magnetic mounts on the top frame with divider. In this installation, you'll receive 4 Snap Shades, 4 magnetic mounts, 2 alcohol wipes, and 1 storage bag. Step 1, locate magnetic attach points on the shade. Glide the magnetic mounts on the top frame to get an attachment. Step 2, insert the Snap Shades into the shade frame. Locate the 2 magnetic points for installation. Step 3, clean door surface where mounts and clips needs to be adhered to. Use a microfiber cloth to remove the leftover residue. Step 4, adhere the mounts and clip. Peel off adhesive tape on the back of the mount. Install the magnetic mounts adjacent to the shade. Apply pressure on the magnetic mount. Step 6, install the bottom of the shade to where the glass meets the window sill. In some models, there might be a gap for you to insert your shades to. Step 7, pop the top Snap Shade frame under the top door frame. Make sure the magnets in the shade attach to the magnetic mount gap. Step 8, install the quarter panel shade. To complete the installation, we will perform a slam test. And the installation is complete.